On our recent trip to Andalusia in Spain, we wanted to go to Ronda and visit a favourite restaurant in the south of the town and have a look at the Puente Nuevo. Our route took us along what is arguably one of Spain's best biking roads, the A366 between Coin and Ronda. Here's some footage of the ride, but really this video is about the chaos that ensued when we stopped to look at the Puente Nuevo. This lay-by is very popular with motorcyclists, especially on a Sunday. It's got great views and the road in either direction is full of beautiful corners. I have to say, I wasn't particularly impressed with this overtake. In a previous video I compared two well-known biking roads. This is the intersection of those, the A366 and the A397. There's a link in the description. It's easy finding your way through Ronda to get to the historic part of the town, which has the bull ring, the Puente Nuevo and the restaurant we were visiting. It wasn't as easy getting out. Here we go, onto the Puente Nuevo. This is us arriving for lunch. I've got to give a shout out to the restaurant. The Gambas Arrieras was absolutely delicious. And we're off after lunch. Our goal is to stop as close to the Puente Nuevo as possible to have a quick look and take a few shots. Parking here can be really tricky, but as luck would have it, a van pulled out of space as we were approaching, so we dived in. I think this was a bit of a transgression on our part because the parking space appears to be reserved for use of employees of the hotel. It kind of meant that the pressure was on, so what you'll see unfold over the next few minutes is a hurried attempt to get some shots of the Puente Nuevo. I think I must have looked a bit odd. I was still wearing my motorcycle helmet and darting from spot to spot to get some shots. Anyway, I'm quite happy with the result. I think the birds in this shot give a real sense of scale and perspective. I kind of think I freaked this lady out a bit. Oh, I'm really sorry. Right, time to get back to the bike. I had been getting some funny looks. I think this chap had watched me darting around on the bridge and just popped over to give me a compliment.
Thank you.
Or at least I think it was a compliment. So one last effort to pull the bikes out, get them set up ready to go, and we're away. I think we'd been stopped there for no more than 5 or 10 minutes at the most. I'll spare you the litany of mistakes that we made leaving Ronda, but we got out in the end. that's the end of the video. So thank you for watching. Have a look at some of our other videos on YouTube and look out for the next one.